Hi friends, so today I will let you know how we can remove the show
Outlook
conversation
profile.
from.
So let's go to Outlook. Like here, I want to show this is the option. So conversation. Okay. So this is the option. We can view all emails in single conversation emails. If we want to remove this show conversation and we want to see all emails separately, so we can remove this option. So how we can remove this option? Okay, so let's go to view option, and here is the option we can remove this one, show as a conversation. If we can remove this option, so all this is the folder or all mailbox, like you want to remove only this folder or all mailboxes folders, if you have added any other mailboxes as well in your Outlook profile. So we can select like all mailboxes, right? So now all mails is separate, we can see. So conversation is removed. If any emails we have received, so these emails will be separately, no individual conversation it will be matched. So there is the option. So thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good day.